In this video, I will demonstrate the use of the Taxonomic cleaning tool to fix mixed spellings and other issues with taxonomic names in your collection. To find the data cleaning tool, log into your account, click My Profile, Specimen Management, and then the name of the collection you are managing. In the Administration Control panel, under General Maintenance Tasks, click Data Cleaning Tools. If you don't see the Administration Control panel on the previous page, that means you don't have the administrator permissions for the collection, and you should contact your collections manager or the portal manager to obtain these permissions. At the bottom of this page, in the Statistics and Action panel, underneath Taxonomy, click Analyze Taxonomic Names. At the top of the Action menu, you will see two key numbers. The first shows the number of specimens that have a taxonomic name that is not properly linked to the taxonomic thesaurus. The second number shows the number of taxonomic names that are not properly linked to the taxonomic thesaurus. The taxonomic thesaurus is a comprehensive or nearly comprehensive list of the taxonomic names used in the portal and their relationships to one another. For example, synonymous taxa are linked to one another and species are linked to their parent genus. It is important that each specimen's taxonomic name can be linked to a name in the taxonomic thesaurus because linkages enable users to efficiently search for specimens in the database. Unlinked names are often the result of misspellings or other errors, which is what we intend to fix with this tool. To look at and then fix these misspellings, first click the Catalog of Life box. Checking this box tells Symbiota to search the Catalog of Life taxonomic database for names that are currently unmapped to the taxonomic thesaurus. If a name exists in the Catalog of Life, it will automatically import that information into the taxonomic thesaurus. Now select Plante from the Target Kingdom drop-down menu. Then you can specify how many scientific names you want the tool to analyze at one time by entering a number in the Names Process Per Run field. It takes a second or two to analyze each name, so analyzing a large number of taxonomic names at one time can take a few minutes. By default, the tool will progress alphabetically from the first taxonomic name in the list of unindexed names. If you want the tool to begin at a specific taxonomic name and progress from there, you can enter this name in the Start Index field. Once you're ready, click Analyze Taxonomic Names. Wait until the tool finishes analyzing. The Wait for page to finish loading text will turn into a blue remap to this taxon. Now you can review the results of the tool's analysis. There are multiple types of result from running this tool. In general, the tool will list the name that is attempting to match to an existing taxonomic name. It will search the Catalog of Life for that name, and if that name is not found in the Catalog of Life, it will check the taxonomic thesaurus for similar names to the unrecognized name. The user then has several options for resolving the unrecognized name. For any taxonomic name, you can view the specimens associated with that name by clicking the pencil inside the brackets. You can make any edits from this panel as well. The most common result you will find from this tool is a misspelling, incomplete name, or other small error. The tool will show you the most similar taxonomic names that it found, and you can choose whether to remap the problematic specimen or specimens to this taxonomic name. Note that clicking Remap to this taxon will change the scientific name on the specimen record to match the listed name. If the appropriate scientific name is not automatically returned, you can try to look it up by entering it in the manual search box. If the name pops up in the drop-down menu, click it and click Remap. This will, as before, also change the scientific name on the specimen record to match the name you specified. If you cannot find a taxonomic name that nearly matches your problematic name, you may need to do a little more research. If you are certain that the problematic taxonomic name exists and should be in our taxonomic thesaurus, email the portal manager or data manager with the name of the taxon you wish to add. If you do not know whether the taxonomic name exists, you must decide whether you wish to annotate the specimen or specimens, remap the problematic name to another name, or just leave the problematic name unmapped. You'll notice that in each of these cases, the problematic taxonomic name was not found in the Catalog of Life. In some cases, the problematic taxonomic name can be found in the Catalog of Life, and therefore should exist in the taxonomic thesaurus. In these cases, the tool will automatically add the name to the taxonomic thesaurus and link the appropriate specimens to that name. No action is required from you. If you have not analyzed all the taxonomic names in one pass, you can click the Continue Analyzing Names button to run the tool on the next batch of names.